Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to walk you through our 2018 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. We'll start off here. We've got the black hull color with the white undertone, stainless steel insert in the rub rail, aluminum bimini top. Starting back here at the stern, we've got a full walk across with the swim platforms. This boat is powered with a Mercury 150 horsepower motor. This is a boat that'll do around the mid-40s top end speed. You've got a conveniently placed grab handle just back of the transom, along with a 12-volt power source for charging your electronics while you're beaching. And even with the outboard motor, you still have a nice walk across to both the port and starboard side of the swim platform. Over to the port side rather, we've got an integrated telescoping swim ladder, a ski pole, a really nice sun pad for sunbathing, and now let's transition into the cockpit. So I'm here on the starboard side of the swim platform of the 19 SPX Outboard, and I just want to demonstrate how easy it is and comfortable it is to walk across to get to both swim platforms. Again, your telescoping ladder is here on the port side, along with the 12-volt power source for your charging your electronics. We've got dedicated cooler storage entering into the cockpit on the 19. Making my way into the cockpit. It's a comfortable access way into the cockpit with the steps. Plenty of social area, big, thick, comfortable seating from Sea Ray with flip-up fiberized bolsters with the twin captain chairs. We have deck storage for storing canvas and water sports toys on the 19. All of this surface is non-skid for safety. Really large, comfortable aft sun pad. And with the outboard motor, you gain all of this deep storage space for water sports toys, tubes, life jackets, safety gear, canvas. A lot of versatility with your storage combinations. You got a nice center stern seat that has a hinged seat with an integrated cooler. You've also got a removable seat here with storage below. Really comfortable seating, ergonomically placed stainless handrails, conveniently placed cup holders, and we have the Rockford Fosgate speakers in the cockpit as well. At the dash, you've got full instrumentation with Sea Ray gauges. Your Rockford Fosgate stereo remote is conveniently placed for the captain. The steering wheel has an adjustable tilt. You have USB auxiliary and 12-volt ports, just shy of a cup holder for the captain. To the port side, you've got dedicated storage for beach bags and purses, other personal items, additional cup holders for your passengers to the port side, lockable console glove box storage as well. This is also plumbed and drained, so it'll keep water from getting into areas where it doesn't belong. Moving forward, we do have a adjustable windshield. Notice the squared off windshield gives you more space within the cockpit. You block off the wind there for those chilly days when you run the boat. Really comfortable seating up in the bow of the 19 SPX. Even for a 19-foot boat, you still have plenty of lounge space for someone around 6 feet tall. Stainless steel grab rails on both sides for safety, additional speakers up in the bow, and then you have two cup holders that are plumbed and drained on both sides. This forward cushion removes, give you a nice step of non-skid for when you're beaching the boat. You'll also notice we have more of a rounded nose rather than a tapered nose, so you gain a lot of space here from the bow for lounging. You don't have to sacrifice any space. You also have non-skid here for your boarding and getting off the boat when pulling up to the beach in the sandbar. You have identical storage, both port and starboard, beneath these seats. And overall, Sea Ray's 19 SPX Outboard is a really versatile and great family boat for people that are looking to get into boating. That's it for our walkthrough. My name is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. please visit us online at MarineMax.com and give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thank you.